Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply the currency formatting on your Google Docs spreadsheet. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So go ahead and highlight whatever cell or cells you want to modify, and then head up and select the Format tab up in the toolbar, and then go down and select Number, and then on the right panel, select where it says Currency, and that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.